को देखिए, लोग भाग रहे कश्मीर के लिए, भारत के लिए। बहुत खूबसूरत बात। और खूबसूरत बात यह है कि जितनी जोश से लोग भाग रहे हैं, एंड ऑल एजेस, दैट इज अमेजिंग अमेजिंग। खुश हूँ कि मैं ये सेकंड एडिशन के लिए आ पाया, और सालों साल कोशिश यही रहेगी कि मैं आऊँ और इसे एनकरेज करूँ।
और सर, हमने देखा बाइसन नाविक के हमले के बाद काफी इम्पोर्टेंट रहा कश्मीर में टूरिज्म के हवाले से।
जी, और यही मैं देख रहा हूँ कि एक्चुअली कल मैं आया था और हम दल लेक गए, हम सारी जगह गए, और ऐसे लगा कि वो माहौल जो था दोबारा आ रहा है। आई सी दिस विंटर बीइंग अ ब्यूटीफुल विंटर फॉर द पीपल ऑफ कश्मीर।
So are we expecting more athletes in the coming years?
100%. I'm sure they will. Now the winter, this happening, the event happening in Feb, right? The winter thing in Feb. So I think there's so much more that is happening. You've got a cricket game that is happening, where international players like Chris Gayle and all of them are here and playing. So matlab, we're back in a big way.
And what about Bollywood? So are you planning to come back?
Yes, I've got producer friends of mine. I mean, Binoy is here doing Border. There's Shabir who's done Sher Shah. He wants to do another film here in Kashmir. So I think this year, Kabir is already here. So I think there are 3 or 4 films being made this year, which is phenomenal. I think we all need to do it. We all need to do our bit. It's not about me or anybody else. I think all of us, as citizens of this country, need to come back here and do all that we can, because finally it is ours and one of the most beautiful places on earth.
So hundreds of national and international participants are participating in this second edition of Marathon. Do you think it's going to boost tourism to a greater level?
Doesn't say, you said it all. I don't need to say anything. More than 100 international athletes and people from all over. You saw people of all ages. I saw someone, I mean, I can't say old, but I saw someone in his 60 plus. I'm 65 plus, so I can't say old. I'll say the young old. But running, and look at the enthusiasm.
And so CM is participating. He himself.
It's unbelievable. I mean, so fit. Everybody, I think, everybody here is, some may not run, but you see them in spirit. And the most important thing is the spirit. The need to get up in the morning and come and say, we support you, we are there. And I only pray that, like it was early last year, I mean, tourism was at its peak. I think every hotel in the city was 90% plus occupancy. I think this winter we are going to see that.
So when are we going to see Sunil Shetty running in this marathon?
Walking maybe next year, but no. The thing is, the idea is you need to practice, and when you're working, it gets a little difficult. But for me, what is most important is whether it is for this or whether I'm needed for anything, like the Winter Olympics and everything. Me being present here, me spreading the word, telling the people about the beauty of this country and its people. I think it's the most important thing. And I pray, wish, request people to come forward and make this beautiful place their very own. Come and, because the people, everybody needs it. Business was booming, everybody was so happy. There's a slight a stop that has come. I think what we can do is erase that stop and continue doing business here.
गर्मियों की छुट्टी होने वाली थी, मेरे पापा आने वाले थे, तो हम लोग सभी खुश थे। तो मैं बेड पे चढ़ के डांस कर रहा था, लेकिन वो पहले ही आ गए। फ्रीज। तो मैं उस समय तो कंटिन्यू नहीं कर सकता था, तो फ्रीज फ्रेम टाइप का हो गया।
कसम पैदा कर